Hello, welcome to Gatsby GH. This is your girl next door, if you're right. Today's video, we're talking about Rihanna. Riri. Police were called to Rihanna's home on Thursday after a man who went to the place, but was actually stopped by the securities. When they questioned him, he stated that his intention was to propose to Rihanna, to marry her. Oh my gosh. Mind you, Rihanna just had a baby with ASAP and another one on the way. The unnamed man apparently had traveled from South Carolina to Los Angeles and walked up to the mansion of Rihanna. Immediately he got there, he was stopped by security. After they asked him of his intention, he said his intention are just innocent, pure, just to propose to the singer. They called the police got there, they put him in handcuffs, and they're saying that he has not committed any crime, but they gave him a big time, a stern warning to stay away, otherwise the next one will be a crime. TMZ reported. Apparently, we don't know whether Rihanna was at home or not, but this apparently it's not the first time. There was a report that there was another one that happened in 2018 when a guy named Eduardo Leon spent 12 hours inside Rihanna's house. Oh my gosh. Can't believe this. He was found by Rihanna's assistant, and he said that he went in there just to have sex with Rihanna. However, he wasn't going to force her, only after she consents to it. Who does that? Who the hell is this one? Oh my gosh. Anyway, this person was charged, was charged and pleaded guilty to stalking and vandalism and also resisting arrest, and they actually gave him 5 years in probation and some kind of diversion program as well. Apparently 2015 too, there was another one that somebody also sent, I think, hatred messages and also death threat to Rihanna. Oh my gosh, one person. Can she get a break? Anyway, we're so glad. We don't know whether she was at home or not. We're glad that she's safe, the baby is safe, and whoever is around there is also safe. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more and like, share. Thank you.